Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself, Sandeep Adari. My dear students, how small things makes a big difference? Or do you want to know what are the do's and don'ts in gate preparation? Now, my dear students, as part of do's, first try to understand the gate exam pattern. So here, what do you mean by understanding the gate exam? So what is your gate syllabus? Suppose if you are in civil, you should be aware that geotechnical, transportation, environmental are the subjects with highest weightage. Suppose if you are in electrical, machines, power systems are the highest weightage. If you are in electronics and communication engineering, you should understand like digital, signals, networks, all these are the high weightage subjects. When you are into computer science like CO, computer organization, or computer networks, or you can say DBMS, these are the highly weighted subjects. So you have to understand the exam pattern, how to start preparing. If you see in all the engineering, maths and aptitude, they weighs around 25 marks for every question paper, even it is civil engineering, mechanical or electrical or computer science. So you should be aware how to plan and how to get these marks in and how to spend your time efficiently in these subjects. Now, my dear students, as part of the planning, time management, you should have a study plan. So you should have a comprehensive study plan. So what do you mean by comprehensive study plan here, my dear students? See, when I talk about comprehensive study plan, you have to understand simple things very clearly. Like if you are a college going student, what is the time available to you? Is it available 2 hours or is it available for 1 hour daily? So you have to plan. And remember, the successful GATE student will have to spend 600 to 700 hours of GATE preparation. Now coming to about the GATE exam. In GATE exam, my dear students, we have 65 questions of GATE, 65 questions in which we have 30 marks of, you can say 1 mark, and 35 questions are of 2 marks. The questions can be NAT, multiple select question, multiple choice question. Who can write the GATE exam? Third year student can write, final year student can write, passed out student can write, and even the student with backlogs can also write the GATE exam. What is the validity of GATE exam? The validity is nothing but 3 years. And remember, my dear students, usually GATE exam is conducted in the month of February, or you can say March first week. Now, my dear students, see what are the don'ts we have to. Don't ignore the previous year question papers. This is a very important. If you see at IMS Gate Academy also, we provide a prestigious or a premium product which covers 34 years of GATE solutions with key pointers, alternative solutions, and for some of the difficult level questions, we are providing the recorded videos. Now, why these previous year questions are important? Now, if you see the concept, if you see the problems of previous year GATE question, the questions might not be repeated, but the concept will be repeated. So, in this way, once you prepare for the previous year question papers, definitely you will have a strong hold on the concepts and it will help you for a better rank in the GATE exam. So, remember, it is a key point that you have to make a note of preparing all the previous year GATE questions. Now, don't cram or focus on understanding concepts. So here see some topics you might be avoiding, or you might be by hearting the concepts, or you feel that it is done. But you should be very focused. You should not do, you should link your subject in a conceptual and application oriented way. Then definitely you will have value addition. So now, my dear students, when I talk about the practice, what you have to do here is, you have to practice regularly with the mock test, revise regularly to reinforce learning. So, my dear students, we at IMS Gate Academy offer chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced level test, and all India mock test. So, here at every juncture, suppose one chapter is completed, you have to attempt chapter test. One subject is completed, you have to attempt subject. Once 2-3 subjects are completed, you have to attempt multiple subject test. And before the GATE exam, like 3 months before the GATE exam, you have to attempt the mock test, which will be the replica of the GATE environment. And my dear students, you have to revise regularly. Like suppose in the month of April and May, you have completed engineering, maths and aptitude, and you should at least after 2 or 3 months, again you should allocate some time for the preparation of the completed subjects. So my dear students, Keep an eye on revision and practice is a mandatory, like we have when we talk about LPT, learn, practice and test. These are the three key points for any student success in a competitive exam. Now my dear students, don't neglect weak subjects and try to avoid multitasking. So what do you mean by, sir, don't neglect weak subject? See, in suppose subjects like EMFT in electronics or steel structures in civil engineering, or you can say computer architecture in computer science, or you can say in mechanical TOM, theory of machines. Like these subjects might be very tough, but don't neglect. You have to have a proper structured plan how you can be familiar with these subjects. And moreover, don't avoid multitasking. Like some 1 hour you will be studying, again you are deviated to the other topics. You have to have a structured way. So you have to allocate some time and you have to ensure that the task is completed. Now my dear students, when I talk about do's, you have to seek a guidance from the mentors and stay updated with the relevant study materials and resources. Now my dear students, we at IMS Gate Academy offers one-to-one mentorship. So why do we require mentorship? You have to understand what's your strength and weakness, how the weakness can be converted into strength. So as part of the mentor guidance, which areas you are in weak, which topics you have to focus more, how to practice the problems, how to get aware of the classroom notes, all these things will be done in the mentorship. Apart from this is the portal where we do the My Plan sessions. And apart from this, stay updated with the relevant resources. Like why, my dear students, if you want to study some subjects, if you spend more and more time on standard reference books, definitely standard reference book will help you, but you have to allocate more time in that in this procedure. What you will have, you lose some time to preparation. So that is also you have to be consigned on. Usually in GATE classroom, you have to more focus on GATE classroom notes, short notes, formula sheet and previous year GATE questions. Now when I talk about the don't rely actually on only one resource. Avoid last minute preparation, avoid burnout by taking regular breakouts. So see students, you should not rely on only one source. Means, see, if you are following any textbook or anything, if you are following that textbook only, in which areas you are focus, where you have to focus. Suppose if you have a concise study material or a GATE classroom notes, then definitely it will help you. You can rely on single things. But if you rely on only some standard reference book, it might not help you. And avoid last minute preparation, and definitely competitive exams. If you prepare, like if you do in engineering, like one day batting we call for the exam to crack. Like if you want to get like 70% of engineering, you will do 2 night outs and you will be clear. But that strategy won't work in the GATE exam. And try to avoid the burnouts. Like you no need to spend like hours of time, like 7 hours, and you can prepare for 1 hour, 2 hours and take a logical break again after 2 hours. So don't extend your preparation for hours and hours. Now most important thing is you have to be analyzing your mistakes, where it is going good, where it is going bad, and you have to learn from your mistakes. And you always have to stay motivated and maintain a positive attitude to achieve the success. When I talk about don't panic during the exam. Students, while writing the GATE exam, you have to be very positive, stay healthy, and the most important things, avoid comparing your results with the other people. Why? Because once you compare your results with the other people, this will have a huge impact. Even though you are getting good marks, you feel that you got less marks and you will be impacted more. So you have to think in a positive way, and you should always self-motivated, and you also have to believe that if you are doing good hard work, definitely success is in your way. Now my dear students, the most and the important points I would like to tell you, what you have to do, keep in mind while writing the GATE exam. See, the first one is formula sheet. Formula sheet should contain for every subject 3 to 4 pages. And if you talk about short notes, usually it should contain 20 pages. And you should have attendance. What is this attendance? Suppose if you are taking a GATE coaching, students, you have to be regular to the classes, because in GATE coaching, every topic is interlinked. If you are absent in the first class and you are attending the second class, it will have a huge impact for the entire subject. So please keep a note that attendance is a very important thing when you are taking the GATE coaching. Apart from this virtual calculator, suppose if you want to solve quadratic equations or unknowns in an equations, definitely you will find very easy with your scientific calculator. But virtual calculator, you have to do small calculations, and these options are not there in virtual calculator. And remember one point, students, if you are habituated with virtual calculator, you can save 4 to 5 minutes of your time. So let us conclude what are the small things which which you have to keep in mind is you should be always self motivated. You have to always revise the topics, and remember you should avoid comparing with the other people, and remember you have to practice the chapter test, subject test and multiple subject tests, and you have to understand the concepts very clearly. Don't avoid cramming in the last minute, and take breaks at regular intervals, and focus on the subject in an application oriented way. Definitely you will have high chances to success. Now my dear students, what we do at IMS Gate Academy is, we at IMS Gate Academy offers 800 plus hours of offline gate coaching, online gate coaching. We are provided at Jainagar offline gate coaching, and at Malleshwaram, and also at Vijayawada. And remember my dear students, we are also providing the online courses and self-recorded sessions. We are providing the subject wise material, and we are almost providing 130 plus, which includes chapter test, subject test, advanced level test, multiple subject tests, and also we are providing the all India mock test. We are providing a premier product called Gate Question Booklet with 34 years of solutions, with recorded solutions for difficult level questions. We are providing the alternative solutions, and we are also providing the key pointers. Apart from this, we are providing the beautiful option for every IMS student, that is mentorship session, where the student weakness can be converted into the strength, and we discuss the entire roadmap for the gate preparation. In addition to this, we are also providing the doubt solving portal, and the doubts will be resolved within 24 hours of time. I hope this video will help you to understand what are the do's and don'ts of the gate exam, and what small things can make difference. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.